Chapter 20 Stock Investment Manifesto of Legendary Stock Investors. Ben Graham's Approach to Value Investing. Ben Graham's investing principles are widely followed and looked up to across the globe. Graham's approach revolved around analyzing the financial statement of the company. Graham believed that everything about a company could be known by analyzing its financial statement. But unfortunately, the quantitative factors do not cover all the aspects of investing. Nevertheless, here are some of the vital contributions of Benjamin Graham in the field of value investing. The three concepts are the founding principle of investing, based on which we will study everything else. So let's understand them. Margin of safety. Margin of safety is achieved when securities are purchased at prices sufficiently below intrinsic value to allow for human errors, bad luck, or extreme volatility in a complex, unpredictable, and rapidly changing world. The margin of safety is a principle which states that an investor wisely invests in those securities where the current listed price of the stock is lower than its intrinsic value. The intrinsic value of the stock is the fair value that is arrived at after the fundamental valuation of the stock is done. The margin of safety provides a great deal of protection to the investors during bad time. As it is, the investment world is highly volatile and is subject to errors, unexpected events, or bad luck. In such cases, the margin of safety provides a great deal of comfort to the investors. The concept of margin of safety was first introduced by the famous American stock investor named Benjamin Graham. Ben Graham was the tutor of Warren Buffett, and Buffett learned most of his investing skills from Ben Graham. Example: if you want to build an aircraft that can carry a weight of 100 kgs at a time, you would instead make an aircraft that can withstand 150 kg of weight, but would allow only 100 kgs for a single flight. Here the excess weight bearing capacity of 50 kg is the margin of safety. Why must you consider the margin of safety? Number 1. The intrinsic value calculation of the stock might not be correct always. As humans, we are all bound to make errors. So choosing a share with price which is below the intrinsic value give an excellent safety for the investment. Number 2. The future of the market is highly unpredictable. Thus, a reasonable deal invites greater security. Mr. Market loves to fly high in the sky, goes up and flies freely. Whoosh! The very next moment, you see him toppling down to hit the ground. You are stumped to see what happened. But worry not. This is Mr. Market's nature to keep you entertained with its roller coaster ride. So when Mr. Market is flying high, you must enjoy the ride by selling overpriced stocks. But when Mr. Market is sinking, then you must buy good stocks. Cigar butt approach. Have you seen discarded cigar butts lying on the street? Those butts are used and discarded and are dirty, but can still give you the joy of that last puff. Of course, you get to enjoy it only if you have the guts to pick a dirty cigar butt. The same analogy have been used by Benjamin Graham to describe the negatively performing companies whose stocks have tumbled down to become so cheap that they are as good as free cigar butts on the streets. Such stocks are dirt cheap and provide a golden chance to smart investor to invest in them. Of course, there is a lot of negativity and underperformance related to these stocks, which creates a panic in the market. But for smart investors, it is a golden ticket to invest and reap huge benefits in the future. To summarize, a cigar butt approach of investment suggests that you invest in a stock keeping a considerable margin of safety, which provides a great deal of coverage to you at all the times. When you invest in such low performing stocks, you still don't lose anything. If the company liquidates, the liquidation value of each stock will be much higher than your current purchase value. In the short run, market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine. By Benjamin Graham.